Ronaldo. That's my short name. I have a long name. And my position is Development Management Officer 5 for the Mindanao Development Authority. My workstation is based in Coronadal, South City office in Davao City, admin office. And as you very well know, the core office for Minda, for the media is
Bangsamoro Hala.
It has touchstone again for dealing with our fellow neighbors, with our neighbors in Indonesia and Malaysia. Because we have many pillars in the Bimpiaga: tourism, socio-economic, education, culture, and the halal could easily be translated into any of these clusters, especially connectivity, socio-cultural, because it cuts across so many areas. It's very important that this, apart from being Bimpiaga, apart from being barn, the Bimpiaga could also be the mechanism for the halal board and vice versa to connect with Brunei, Indonesia, and Malaysia.
What's the difference when we don't have development?
Maganda ito because there's a roadmap. A roadmap tells you many things, where to go, how to do it, and what the budget would do. It's very important that they have developed a plan, because if there's no plan, it's very difficult to put your vision into practice.
In other way,
We already facilitated the halal board meeting with one of the organizations. We provided the linkages, and if the bar wishes so, we can link with the counterparts abroad, not only in Bimpiaga but also abroad, perhaps even in the Middle East. Because last month, Secretary Magno led a business mission of MINDA, the board of directors, and Mindanao businessmen to Qatar. And the same group also went to Korea, hoping for business and investment leads, specifically to target Mindanao. And included in the details of the talk was possible halal investments here in this part of Mindanao.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Sige.